We can say that the recent sightings are in no way connected with any secret development by any agency of the United States.
They're getting so cool.
Oh, bright. Oh, wait. Oh, I missed it. Look how bright that's so creepy. Hold on. Let's see, but there's nothing. Okay, that's the airport over there. That's the direction.
And
there's
that's
a
a plane.
There's a plane. Okay, now, boom. It's still the same, chilling. That is just, it's hovering for like, what are we, like 45 minutes now?
Yeah.
It wasn't there before. That's the thing that trips me out, is that it was nothing and then boom. I don't know.
Yeah, I would love to go to you with you.
Oh, me too.
I would love to meet Marcel too.
He is his soul. He's there than they were of me here in America, which is really weird. They call it the passport country. When you, because it's your passport home, because it's not, you don't
Reason to have it if we're not gonna
accept immigrants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's sick that they're going to schools too.